Hey guys, welcome to the channel, another aviation video. And as you can see by the video, in today's video, Swisser01 today, he posted this butter on the short runway and .mp4. I don't know what that means, but let's watch the butter from the cockpit view. Here we go, that's his face, like right over here. He did a face reveal probably last year. But anyway, and that was a very smooth landing. So yeah, let's go back to the flight simulator. He also made a video about this. Yeah.
As you can see, I floated quite a bit. Normally you're supposed to touch down here on the touchdown.
Yeah, he's right.
As you can see, we have a lot of marks on the runway as well from all the planes touching down.
Also right.
That was definitely not given here.
Yeah.
I really tried keeping this plane
Yeah, and he makes a butter landing with the 737, which is our first landing for today.
You know, a plane doesn't really care if you do a hard or a soft.
Yeah, let's skip this. Let's stop this part. And let's check out my landing that I did before to start this video. Yeah, we're actually at Kai Tak Airport. Normally, this thing doesn't really, this airline or something, it probably does go to it, this airport, but that's a whole nother story, whole nother video. So let's watch that butter landing. Ooh, yeah, I bounced a little. I actually pulled up. Ooh, quite a bit of a hard landing after that, and I forgot to apply thrust reversers, but it doesn't really help with anything. Well, yes, it kind of does, but yeah, it was a long time before I stopped at least half of the runway. This line here, right behind the plane, I think it shows half of the runway. Yeah, so then we stopped and I disabled the spoilers or the speed brakes. Yeah, so let's do another smooth landing, not just on video. Okay, and because we're in ANA, because I have a chart here with me, know which airports and which video topics to talk about. ANA is for Japan, as you can see, Japan Airlines, 06 Antonov, November, inspiration of Japan, and the rising sun. That's what the red circle's supposed to be. So let's land at Tokyo International. It's right here, and it's about like not here. Somewhere in the sea. Somewhere. Where is it? Oh, is this Malta? I don't know. But yeah, here's Tokyo, and here's Tokyo International. Okay, let's do an approach to Tokyo International. Close the navigation, and there we go. If my voice is a little off or you can't hear it very well, it's because I'm kind of away from wherever I'm speaking the microphone. Okay, here we go. I think we have a little crosswind here. Oh, no we don't. I'm from a different camera angle. Let's butter the bread here at Tokyo, and hopefully we have enough runway to stop. And if we don't, this video will be dedicated to hard landings. Oh, there we go. Ooh, let's butter the bread now. Let's butter the bread. Ooh, that was a very hard landing. Yep. You can always go around. Let's apply some thrust, and that was a wing strike, and a tail strike, and another wing strike, and a pod strike, and another tail strike, another wing strike, a nose strike, and another tail strike. What the hell is all this? And another wing strike, and we're in the water right now. There we go, and we're on the runway. Oop, and we're back in the water. Yeah, let's just... Oh, okay. I like the sound anyway. Let's turn it down a little. Okay. So, this was a hard landing. It's fine. As usual, no pilot can always do smooth landings. At any airport. Doesn't have to be like Swiss Air 1. And plus, he really, doesn't... He flies to dangerous airports, which is why he always does hard landings. So, yeah. So, let's check out another landing. Okay, we're still in a 737-800. Let's change our plane. What should we change it to? That is, of course, the McDonnell Douglas MD-11. And it is very interesting yellow spirals here. It's probably for cargo plane. And a very interesting sound, indeed. That's the powerful G50 engines. They look pretty small compared to the 737 fuselage, the GE90Y. Oh my god, am I seeing this? Landing gears underwater. So that's a whole nother story. Let's get landed at, what should we do? A very long runway. Let me think here. Let's do Nice Airport. There we go. And we're in the south of France. And here's Nice Airport on the 04R. Let's get landed here with our tri-jet jet. So we're already flying right now with our very slow speed, and our flaps are flying. Yeah, look at this. Our flaps are flying. They're not even connected. What the heck? No, really. Like. What the hell? Yeah, let's. Ooh. Okay, let's get our MD-11 cargo. It needs a long runway, of course. Cargo plane landed at Nice Airport. Ooh, something's wrong with the mouse control. Let's stop that really quick. Ooh, there's a player here called Enamel. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. After you pause a while, they kind of disappear in this flight simulator. But who cares? Let's just get here. Pause, and there we go. Pause it again. This is a lot of pauses. No. What? Wow. Well, okay. This airplane has fallen apart. Congratulations, MD-11. You have fell apart for the first time in history. Every single part of you is scrapped off. And it comes back together. And there's quite a few players here. There's actually 3. But now they've gone away, which is a little sad. Let's thrust up the engines a bit. It's loud. Yeah. Let's do like that. There we go. Dude, let's not This video is gonna be dedicated to hard landings. Let's try another plane like the Sun 37. I actually hate this aircraft right now. Jesus. Dang it. Really, this is the... Whatever. Let's just land. Give ourselves a challenge. Land at the shorter runway. You know what? I don't want to mess this up. Let's land at the other side. I hope it's... Yep, it's the shorter runway. Okay, let's put away the navigation. Let's put down the flaps. Let's put it in cockpit cam. It really doesn't still help me. Oh, let's put the gear down.